Welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the 2026 Chevrolet Camper Truck, a factory-built adventure rig designed for travelers who want comfort, capability, and freedom without sacrificing truck toughness. Built for adventure. The 2026 Chevrolet Camper Truck blends a rugged pickup platform with a purpose-built camper system. Reinforced suspension, upgraded tires, and selectable drive modes make it ready for highways, gravel roads, and remote trails alike. This is a vehicle designed to go far beyond paved routes. Power and performance. Under the hood, Chevrolet offers strong engine options focused on torque and reliability. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission and advanced traction systems, the camper truck delivers confident towing, stable handling, and controlled performance even when fully loaded. Camper living space. Inside the camper module, smart design takes center stage. The layout includes a fold-out bed, compact kitchen, storage cabinets, and climate control, all engineered to maximize space. Durable materials and efficient insulation make it comfortable in both hot summers and cold nights. Technology and safety. Modern technology elevates the experience with a large infotainment display, navigation, smartphone connectivity, and off-road camera views. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and blind spot monitoring help keep long journeys stress-free. Who is it for? The 2026 Chevrolet Camper Truck is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, overland travelers, and weekend explorers who want a single vehicle that works as a daily driver and a mobile campsite. Final thoughts. With its balance of power, comfort, and self-contained living, the 2026 Chevrolet Camper Truck stands out as a serious adventure companion, ready to turn any road into a destination.